Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Eric Clapton's Old Love on guitar. We will begin by mastering the core chord progression. The song primarily uses a minor, G major, D major, and E minor. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four fundamental shapes, ensuring each note rings clearly. This foundation is crucial for building your understanding of the entire piece and will set you up for success. Next, let's tackle the iconic opening riff that defines Old Love. This riff has a distinct bluesy feel, often played with a slight shuffle. Focus on the timing and articulation of each note to capture its essence. The overall rhythm of the song is a slow, soulful shuffle. Practice your strumming or picking pattern to maintain this groove consistently throughout the verses and choruses. Now, let's dive into the soloing aspects of Old Love. The solos are primarily built around the A minor pentatonic scale. Experiment with incorporating expressive bends and vibrato to give your playing that authentic bluesy feel. Focus on phrasing your licks thoughtfully, connecting them smoothly over the underlying chord changes. Listen to the original recording for inspiration on Clapton's signature style. To truly master Old Love, consistent practice is key. Always begin slowly with a metronome to ensure accuracy and develop solid timing. Listen intently to the original recording to grasp the subtle nuances, dynamics, and feel. Experiment with your guitar's tone settings, perhaps using a slight overdrive or a clean boost, to achieve a sound similar to Eric Clapton's iconic tone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.